Hello，大家好。咁今日係第8日 of doing 呢個 challenge。咁今日咧，我哋想講下廣東話。咁廣東話係咪一個語言？So 我就覺得廣東話就係一個語言。Because 廣東話同普通話或國語係好多字係唔同，即係嗰啲音喺國語你揾唔到。如果我同一個人即係完全未學過廣東話嘅人，即係佢講國語嘅，咁之後我哋兩個講嘢，佢係唔會明白我講緊乜嘢嘅。咁我就覺得係咁嘅咯。咁我係因為 for me 因為我係喺屋企就講廣東話，咁我學國語嗰陣時比較容易啲，因為我聽到好多音，即係我知道呢個字係咩字，咁我就記住呢個係咁樣嘅。咁 for example， 如果你講國語 like 全部 like everything， 但係咧我哋廣東話你都可以講全部嘅，覺得我哋會唔會講冚唪唥？咁呢個冚唪唥呢個字，請問有冇呢個字係點嘅咧？係國語係會點樣講嘅咧？You know what I'm saying？所以我就覺得呢個就係 to me， 因為 grammatically 都係有唔同嘅好多唔同嘅嘢，同埋字嗰度都係完全唔同，好多嘢都唔同嘅。咁 for example， 你講希望 in Mandarin is 希望 like hope，but 廣東話係希望。So one thing that's really interesting is that like 即係有好多唔同嘅 to me。Like if you tell me if Shanghainese or any other of these, I call them languages, would we be able to understand each other? No. And there's so many words that don't exist in each other. Even if you explain what this word may mean in Chinese, it wouldn't closely it'll be like you explained it as as well as you can, but doesn't really get to the meaning of the word, but it's sort of like you sort of get the idea. So that's how I feel. And yeah, so let me know what y'all think about this. I'm sure a lot of people have talked about, is it a dialect, is it a language?